Lincoln Electric, a global influencer member of Global Wind Energy Council, headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, has been working with wind customers worldwide to bring new steel plant capacity, pipe mills, shipyards, and foundation factories online for both fixed and floating foundations, towers, and secondary steel. In less than 3 years, Lincoln Electric has supported over 13 new offshore wind foundation and tower greenfield factories and existing production line expansions at a pace that underscores our position as the preferred provider of welding solutions for large-scale foundations and towers. This surge in global steel fabrication is fueling one of the fastest industrialization waves in history, and advanced automation welding process solutions is at the heart of expanding global installed capacity for offshore wind. This unlocks the ability to build and install offshore wind turbines, towers, and foundations of unprecedented scale, where the global wind industry is pushing toward 20-plus megawatt turbine giants, installed on the largest towers and fixed and floating foundations ever produced. Together, Global Wind Energy Council members support the expansion of manufacturing, ensuring future investment levels rise to meet global capacity targets. As a key global supplier, Lincoln Electric supports the entire fabrication supply chain, offering industry expertise and unique perspective on the manufacturing technology challenges and opportunities ahead. Together with our global automation partners, we are building the factories of the future for new towers, fixed and floating foundations. The future of increasing installed capacity depends on innovation, advanced technology, and a highly skilled workforce. Automation improvements will be essential to reduce project hours and drive industry profitability. Together, we can and will build the offshore and onshore industry of the future.